Hi, this is Denise from Mouse Steps, and D23 had sent us the 2018 Gold Member Gift just so that we could show everybody what it looks like. And it's all about Mickey Mouse for 2018. We actually have not taken a look at the contents yet, so it'll be new to me as well.
Let's check it out. I can't wait.
I have looked online. If you go to the D23 site, it will list everything that that is in it. It also apparently lists it right here. I have it up on the computer. This is very small typing, so I'm going to
Well, there's no way you're reading that upside down, so I think
I probably
it's an
won't.
okay cheat.
It's very tiny, so but they have it all listed on the D23 site, much bigger. So we have a poster here. I will wait to open that one, but I believe this is the Steamboat Willie original script pages, and it says pages, but oh, probably the 2 pages there.
Oh, I see them. Very nice. Let's see the back side there. Very, very nice. Okay.
And
we have 22 to go.
Yes, it's a lot. So it's actually quite a few items. It looks like they're in order pretty well. This is the Mickey Mouse comic strip fan card from, these are all reproductions. This is from 1931. The Walt Disney Archives recreated these.
Next.
I'm not sure if that's how I should say it, recreated, but oh, this is very nice.
Look at that.
This is a miniature cell from Parade of the Award Nominees 1932. This is where Mickey appears in color for the first time on screen. And there's also something on the back.
That's nice. It looks like a little cell.
Yep, it's a cell.
All right.
And next is a Mickey and Minnie doll, Mccall printed pattern 91. And I don't really, it's been a long time since I've heard of Mccall.
Well, all this was around before even we were born.
Even before my parents were born, I think. So 1932.
Yes.
This is from, and then you can see the pattern information on the back.
Very nice. It'll be fun to take the time to really go through this stuff
Yeah.
later.
Oh, and actually, if you open it, I didn't even
More goodness inside. Oh, look at this. It is Walt with a bunch of his the stuffed Mickeys.
Yes. It says on the back, Walt Disney enjoys the company of the popular Charlotte Clark Mickey Mouse dolls outside his studio on Hyperion Avenue around 1930.
All right, so let's keep going here. What do we have?
Next is Hyperion Studio Ikme Usme Crest circa 1933. Image courtesy of the Walt Disney Family Foundation collection of the at the Walt Disney Family Museum.
Very nice.
Haven't been there yet.
Yeah, that's definitely on our list of places to go.
Next is a Carl Lammle scrapbook page art.
That is great. I love the look of the alternative Mickey there.
And it says, in memory of the to Carl Lammle, in memory of the days when I produced Oswald for Universal. Best wishes, always sincerely, Walt Disney.
Very nice.
From 1935. And this one is the nifty 90s animation drawing from 1941. It says, Mickey is not only taken by surprise by a coquettish Minnie in this nostalgic cartoon short, but also drawn with enormous appeal by Disney legend Fred Moore.
A lot of things that are frameable in here, it seems. All right, we have a lot more, so let's continue.
This is the Walt Disney Productions logo from the 1940s. The new purpose-built Disney campus in Burbank allows increased productivity and possibilities. This elegant logo art appears on everything from electrical generators and location vehicles to mailroom bicycles and matchbooks.
Nice. Very nice.
There's a lot to look at here. 23 items, and we're only on around number 9. So this is an aircraft worker Insignia sticker from, it's circa 1942, with his wrench and propeller forming a V for victory. Mickey represents the can-do spirit of the American home front. Ultimately, Disney provides mascot and insignia art, buoying the resolve of thousands serving in military and civilian groups.
Very nice. And is there anything on the back of that one?
Nope.
Okay.
But
it says a sticker?
Yeah, you know what? They look like they're stickers, but I'm not going to try to try to do that.
You don't want to stick. Oh, nice holiday.
It is called a sticker, though, and this is the Walt Disney and Staff Christmas card from 1947. For Walt's traditional holiday greeting, artist Hank Porter depicts Mickey as another beloved joy giver, Santa Claus. Inside, a galaxy of Disney characters toast the new year, including Mickey's feature co-stars from Fun and Fancy Free. This is very nice.
1948. Look at all those characters. A lot of characters you don't see that much anymore. I see Horace Horsecolor up there.
And it's really, and there's the back with Jiminy Cricket. I mean, it's really nice. You know, you have the Walt Disney Archives finding the items, and then they're able to reproduce them for us to enjoy. And let's see, this is, I'm just trying to see. Oh, this is the television prop book, 1954, in portrait enclosure. And it says, in his first weekly television broadcast, Walt Disney not only introduces his innovative theme park concept, but pays tribute to the mouse that started it all. Walt's on-screen scrapbook contains Mickey's portrait in oil by Disney legend John Hench.
Oh, that's a classic image. I love it. Look at that. I think we have a poster of that from another occasion, but that's nice. That's very nice.
That's a really it feels nice. It's a
good hard
it's a
stock.
nice little litho type. And then next is a television commercial model sheet from. This would be from 1954. For a brief time, Disney creates animated television commercials featuring simplified modern stylings of characters designed to read clearly on early TV screens. Artist Tom Orab is the first to rethink Mickey in these geometric contemporary terms. I feel like I read about some of this in the Don Hahn book, mid-century book.
Yeah, it has that look to it to me. All right, let's keep going. There's so much to
Still
go through
more
here.
to go through. We're probably
see some
a little
Sorcerer's
over
Apprentice.
Halfway. There's
Almost looks like a record.
Yes, there's no record inside. The Sorcerer's Apprentice record cover, Disneyland Records from 1957. Dramatic art by Disney legend Al Dempster shows Mickey at his magical best, accompanying the original Fantasia recording of Paul Dukas' classical composition. So there is, there you can take a look at it. And it really looks like when I was a kid, I used to have so many of the albums, the Disney albums, and it reminds me.
Is that full size? Was it a 45, or is that a reproduction of a full size album? Do we know?
You know, honestly, I'm not sure on that, but this obviously it looks like a 45.
Right, it has the size dimensions. Well, that'll be something we'll research. Next. Mickey Mouse Club. I know you're going to love that.
Yes. I wish I had like 100 of these because I'd actually send them out.
Oh, is it a postcard?
It is a postcard. You can see it on the back. Featuring 5 themed days, catchy music, educational outreach, and unforgettable headwear. The Mickey Mouse Club is a broadcasting sensation. And actually, this was my favorite of all the Mickey Mouse Club series. And then
the original.
Yes, and from with Annette. And everybody, and then of course the 1970s version was my second favorite.
Oh, the Mickey Mouse Review.
So this is the Walt Disney World Mickey Mouse Review attraction poster, and you've got Mickey there. And
I remember seeing that many times growing up.
And it's weird because I don't remember ever seeing it, and I'm not sure that I never did, but I don't know that I ever used my tickets for that. I started going to Walt Disney World in 1977, but certain attractions I used the ticket book tickets for.
I think
more.
They ended up shipping it to Tokyo in the 80s, early 80s.
Yeah, I think so too. And then Disneyland Backstage Cast Magazine commemorative issue, and it parodies Norman Rockwell's famous Saturday evening post cover, the triple self-portrait.
I believe we have the original of this. The first thing I see that we have the original of here.
And you can see inside there's, it's actually really, this is very nice. And there's a photo timeline and a look at the wristwatch that became a generational icon.
Okay, what do we have next?
This is the Happy Birthday Mickey button, and it honors the 50th anniversary of Mickey's debut from 1978.
Very nice. Oh, Mickey's Christmas Carol, a classic.
Well, this is this is Oh What a Merry Christmas Day vocal lead sheet, and it said after a 30-year absence, Mickey returns to the big screen in Mickey's Christmas Carol, so 1982. And there it is. Oh, What a Merry Christmas Day lyric sheet. Or vocal lead sheet.
All right. Oh boy, what do we have here?
This is the Tron film print. And it says Hidden Mickey. I'm just trying to kind of get a look on that. Only the sharpest eyes catch Mickey's image as Flynn and Yori ride a solar sailor beyond the game grid of Tron.
Well, those eyes and my eyes are not the sharpest.
No, mine aren't either.
So we'll probably not see it, but something to look at later.
And so here we have Tokyo Disneyland Souvenir gift bag.
Oh, that's really nice. I like that.
And that's 1983. That's really nice, actually. And you can see like the Jungle Cruise and then Mickey. It reminds me, and I know this is Tokyo Disneyland, but it still reminds me of kind of the old Walt Disney World type bags back then.
A lot of classic attractions on there. Looks very nice. All right, what do you have next?
This is the Disney Channel launch party napkin. And when Disney inaugurates its premium cable service in 1983, one of the first images broadcast is a mouse-shaped satellite.
I remember that. Yes, the mouse satellite. That's really cool. All right, what do we have here?
Well, we're going to move from 1983 to our last item, 2016. And that is the Shanghai Disneyland Mickey Avenue seal. Flanked by pals Donald, Duck, and Goofy, Mickey greets the sunshine of new horizons on Mickey Avenue.
That one is a bit hard to pick up with the video, but I'm kind of getting it.
Maybe if I put it sort of on the back.
That's great. That's much better. Yes.
And that's really nice, too. It's a really nice set. I think this is,
What about the poster? What is the leftover poster?
Almost forgot about the poster. I'll have to open it up.
All right, we're going to cut, and we'll be right back.
So this is the We Are Doing It Wed Mapo poster. We're jumping back to 1981. Based on art created for a Library of Congress exhibit, Disney Imagineers used this poster for inspiration as they hurry to build both Epcot Center and Tokyo Disneyland. So this is really, and this is a thicker poster than when I saw it rolled, I thought it would be very thin. But it's actually a really nice kind of a thick poster that probably would do well framed.
So that is another great collection of Disney goodness. We're very lucky. We were day one members of D23, so we have all the various gifts. I think one year there was a watch, there was the 9 Old Men, there was all sorts of nice things throughout the year. So this is a great addition. Well,
every year it's really fun to kind of see not only what will be in the D23 magazines, but what the gold member gift will be. And it's, items that you just can't get anywhere else. So definitely check out D23.com if you end up wanting to be, a member of D23. I think it's certainly been worth it. And this is really a fun set of 23 items.